In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit navigation bar in Webflow 2026. Full tutorial. First, open your project in Webflow and make sure you're in the designer view. This is where you can add and style components. If you're seeing only content and no style panels, switch from the editor to the designer. Give your canvas a second to load so all the components and panels are available. Next, open the Add panel. You'll find it on the left side of the screen, represented by a plus icon. This panel contains all the building blocks you can drop onto your page, from basic elements like divs and text to complete components like sliders and, of course, the navigation bar. In the Add panel's search bar, type nav. This filters the list to the navbar component so you don't have to scroll. You'll see navbar appear under components. This is a pre-built responsive navigation that includes a brand area, a menu, and a mobile menu button out of the box. Click and drag the navbar onto your canvas. Drop it near the top of your page so it serves as a header. If you're using sections and containers, place it inside a section or directly at the top of the body, depending on your layout. To visually center the bar within your design, make sure it spans the full width and sits inside a container with a defined max width, or use flex settings to align its inner content. Webflow's default navbar uses a flexible layout, so you can choose to keep the brand on the left with links on the right, or center everything by adjusting Justify and align options in the layout panel. Customize the brand element by replacing the placeholder text with your site name or swapping in a logo image. Update each nav link by double-clicking the text and connecting it to a page or a section on the current page using IDs. Fine-tune spacing with padding for breathing room inside the bar and margin to create space around it. Set the background color, link color, and hover styles in the typography and background controls. For a polished look, adjust the current state of a link so visitors can see which page they're on. If you want the bar to stay visible as people scroll, change its position to fixed at the top and set the width to 100%. A subtle bottom border or shadow can help it stand out. Finally, check responsiveness. Switch to tablet and mobile breakpoints and style the menu button and drop down. Make sure text remains readable, colors have enough contrast, and spacing feels comfortable on smaller screens. That's it. Your Webflow navigation bar is added, centered to your design, and fully customized.